Imagine building furniture that looks like it came straight from a master carpenter's shop. Stronger joints, smoother cuts. This is Smart Tool X, where we bring you the wildest woodworking tools that actually transform the way you work. Stick around and smash that subscribe because this is just the beginning. Product 1. Going Make Track Saw Parallel Guide System. This eliminates tedious measurements with repeatable cuts from 0 to 53 inches instantly. The micro-adjustable flip stop ensures accuracy within 0.02 millimeters every single time. Features integrated zero calibration that saves 15 minutes per setup compared to traditional methods. This solves the problem of inconsistent rip cuts that waste expensive materials. Professional cabinet makers rely on this for production-grade speed and furniture quality results. Product 2. Crank Pocket Hole Jig System K4. This creates invisible joints that are 3 times stronger than traditional wood screws. The adjustable jig handles material from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick with perfect hole placement. Features hardened steel drill guides that maintain accuracy through thousands of holes. This eliminates visible fasteners for clean, professional-looking furniture and cabinetry. DIY builders achieve contractor-quality results without expensive mortise and tenon equipment. Product 3. Adjustable spring door stoppers, heavy-duty for pack. These protect walls and furniture with industrial-grade stainless steel construction that withstands 100 pounds of impact force. The height adjusts from 0.8 to 3 inches to fit any door and floor gap perfectly. Features corrosion-resistant materials that last 20 years in high-moisture environments. This solves door damage in high-traffic areas where standard stoppers fail within months. Commercial property managers choose these to reduce maintenance costs by 80%. Product 4. Cabinet Hardware Drilling Jig with metric and inch measurements. This cuts installation time by 80% with precision machined aluminum construction. The dual measurement system handles both metric and imperial hardware without conversion errors. Features quick-set templates for the most common handle spacings used in modern cabinetry. This eliminates crooked handles that ruin the appearance of custom kitchen projects. Professional installers complete entire kitchens in half the time with flawless alignment. Product 5. WorkPro 6-inch mini bar clamps for pack. These deliver 50 pounds of clamping force in spaces where full-size clamps cannot reach. The one-handed operation allows positioning and tightening simultaneously for faster assembly. Features 9.5-inch maximum opening with quick-release triggers for instant repositioning. This solves difficult glue-ups on picture frames and small boxes that require multiple angles. Hobbyists achieve professional-grade assemblies without investing in 20 different clamp sizes. Product 6. Milescraft Complete Doweling Kit with Pins and Bits. This creates perfectly aligned dowel joints with 3 different diameter options for any project size. The self-centering jig eliminates the math and measuring that causes 90% of doweling failures. Features brad point bits in 1/4 inch, 5/16 and 3/8 sizes with depth stops. This solves misaligned joints that waste hours of sanding and filling gaps. Furniture builders achieve invisible seams that rival factory-made construction. Product 7. Measure as no-slip tape measure extension hook. This extends your measuring capability to curved surfaces and pipes with zero-slip rubber grip technology. The hook attachment installs in seconds on any standard tape measure without tools. Features precise radius measurement for columns up to 12 inches in diameter. This eliminates the frustration of tape measures that slip off round edges during critical measurements. Contractors measure HVAC ducts and plumbing with confidence that readings are accurate within 1/16 inch. Product 8. Senix 60-volt cordless leaf blower with 1300-watt brushless motor. This delivers 810 CFM airflow at 170 mph to clear heavy wet debris instantly. The stepless speed control and cruise function reduce operator fatigue on large properties. Features 4-amp-hour battery that runs 30 minutes at full power with fast 1-hour charging. This solves yard cleanup that takes hours with underpowered electric blowers or messy gas engines. Homeowners maintain Ocker-sized properties without gas fumes or extension cords. Product 9. Stair Tread Template Tool with Integrated Zero Calibration. This measures complex stair dimensions in seconds with aluminum construction that maintains accuracy forever. The integrated design eliminates bolting and adjustment steps that waste 20 minutes per staircase. Features fold-flat portability and included Oxford cloth bag for easy transport between job sites. This solves expensive mistakes from manual stair measurements that result in poor-fitting treads. Professional stair installers complete measurements in 1/10 the time with perfect first-time fits. Product 10. WorkPro 6-inch Japanese pole saw with dual 14 and 17 TPI edges. This cuts on the pole stroke for effortless precision with 50% less effort than push saws. The flexible SK5 steel blade makes flush cuts without damaging surrounding surfaces. Features 3-edge tooth geometry that stays sharp through 5 times more cuts than standard saws. This eliminates tear-out and splintering on delicate trim work and fine joinery. Finnish carpenters achieve glass smooth cuts on hardwoods without sanding. Product 11. Miles Craft Glue Mate 450 Precision Wood Glue Bottle. This holds 15 ounces with double chamber design that dispenses glue smoothly without air bubbles. Features to interchangeable tips for precision doweling and flat biscuit joints. The anti-drip valve stops flow instantly to prevent messy drips that ruin finished surfaces. This solves wasted glue and cleanup time that adds 30 minutes to every assembly project. Woodworkers apply exact amounts exactly where needed without squeeze out. Product 12. 2-in-1 Invisible Fastener Slotting Bracket for Routers. This creates perfectly aligned slots for invisible furniture connectors with universal router compatibility. Features adjustment for panels 15 to 35 mm thick with precision aluminum construction. The quick mount system fits routers with body diameter 2.5 to 2 6/10 inches. This eliminates visible screws and brackets for seamless furniture connections that look professionally manufactured. Cabinet makers achieve showroom quality appearance on custom entertainment centers. Product 13. Mayhew 14-inch double utility bar with 750 cat's paw. This demolition tool combines prying leverage and nail pulling in hardened alloy steel construction. The dual-ended design provides 14 inches of reach for deep prying and extraction jobs. Features precision ground claws that grip nails as small as 6 gauge without slipping. This solves renovation projects where standard pry bars bend or break under heavy loads. Contractors remove decking and framing materials 3 times faster without tool changes. Product 14. PowerTech Abrasive Cleaning Stick for Sanding Belts and Discs. This restores clogged sandpaper to like new condition with professional-grade natural rubber construction. The 8.5-inch block cleans belts and discs in seconds by removing pitch and resin buildup. Features extended life that cleans hundreds of sandpaper pieces before wearing out. This solves premature sandpaper replacement that costs $200 annually on active projects. Woodworkers extend sandpaper life by 300% while maintaining consistent cutting performance. Product 15. Shimei 4P Door and Window Casing Reveal Marking Tool Set. This ensures consistent 1/4 inch and 3/16 reveals on old trim installations. Features built-in pencil guides that mark perfectly parallel lines without measuring tapes. The compact design fits in tool belts and allows one-handed operation for faster workflow. This eliminates uneven reveals that make professional trim look amateur and require expensive reinstallation. Finnish carpenters install door casings with showroom symmetry in half the usual time. Product 16. NACO 5-inch Automatic Center Punch with Adjustable Impact. This marks drilling locations with spring-loaded precision that eliminates drill bit walking. The adjustable impact strength accommodates materials from softwood to hardened steel. Features knurled grip and compact 5-inch length for comfortable control in tight spaces. This solves misplaced holes that ruin expensive cabinet doors and metal fabrication projects. Metal workers and woodworkers achieve perfect hole placement without hammer marks or surface damage. Product 17. 16-piece contoured profile hand sanding block set. This handles every curve and contour with foam blocks in 16 different profiles. Each 3.8-inch block features hook and loop backing for quick sandpaper changes. The soft PU foam construction conforms to irregular shapes without gouging delicate surfaces. This solves hand fatigue and uneven sanding on furniture restoration and automotive refinishing. Hobbyists achieve smooth, consistent finishes on complex shapes in half the time. Product 18. Woodworking dovetail saw guide with 45 and 90-degree magnetic angles. This ensures perfectly straight dovetail cuts with CNC machined aluminum accuracy guaranteed for life. The magnetic base grips saw plates for wobble-free cutting with point-to-millimeter precision. Features fixed 1:6 softwood and 1:8 hardwood ratios plus combination 45 and 90 degrees. This eliminates hand-cut dovetails that require hours of fitting and chisel work. Beginning woodworkers create heirloom-quality joints on the first attempt. Product 19. Vertex Profile Scraper RP-8 for removing old finishes. This strips paint and varnish from moldings without damaging delicate wood profiles underneath. The alloy steel blade follows contours perfectly while removing finish layers in single passes. Features ergonomic grip that reduces hand fatigue during hours of stripping work. This solves chemical stripper mess and dust from power sanders that damage architectural details. Restoration specialists prepare antique trim for refinishing 10 times faster. Product 20. Galax Pro 22000 OPM oscillating multi-tool with 3-degree angle. This cuts, sands, and scrapes with 2-amp motor delivering professional power for demanding tasks. The tool-free blade change system accepts universal accessories for maximum versatility. Features variable speed control and 3 included saw blades plus sanding attachments.